Hi, I'm Shyamala Gauri, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CS3352. Subject name Foundations of Data Science. Unit 4 Python Libraries for Data Wrangling. The topics to be presented here are NumPy's structured arrays and record arrays and data manipulation with pandas package. First, the structured array. It provides an efficient storage for compound and heterogeneous data. Let us consider the following three separate arrays. Name is one array, age is another array, and weight is another array. Structured array can be created as follows. The data is equal to np.zeros 4, dtype is equal to names. Name, age and weight formats. U10. U10 specifies a universal string that might consist of maximum character up to 10. Age less than I4. It represents the integer value. Weight represents less than F8. That is, it is a float value. Now we can fill the array with our list of values. Date of name is equal to name. The values in the name array will be stored in this table. And then data of age is equal to age. In this, the values in the age array will be stored. Data of weight is equal to weight. In this statement, the values in the weight array will be stored. Now, if we print data, the output will be shown in the last line. That is, name is Alice, age is 25, and then weight is 55.1. The values are extracted from the three arrays, name, age, and weight. The next corresponding values are printed as Bob 45, 85.5, Kathy 37, 62.5 are printed. Next topic is data manipulation with pandas. Pandas is a newer package built on top of NumPy. It provides an efficient implementation of a data frame. Data frames are essentially multi-dimensional arrays with attached row and column labels and are often with heterogeneous types or missing data. Introduction of Pandas objects. Pandas objects can be thought of as enhanced versions of NumPy structured arrays in which the rows and columns are identified with labels rather than simple integer indices. Pandas provide a host of useful tools, methods, and functionality on top of the basic data structures. The three fundamental pandas data structures are the series, data frame, and index. The pandas series object. A pandas series is a one-dimensional of indexed data. It can be created from a list or array as follows. Data is equal to pd.series of 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. The data values are created and stored in the array called data. Now, if we print data, the values will be printed along with its index. That is 0th position and its value is printed. First position and its value is printed. Second position and its value is printed. Next one, finding the values. The values can be written simply by writing data.values. Here consider the same array and we find the index for a given array. We can access the index by the familiar Python square bracket notation. Data of 2. It prints the value in the second position in the given array. Data colon 2. It prints the values from the position 0 and first. That is 0th position 0.25 and first position is 0.5. The pandas data frame object. The fundamental structure in pandas is the data frame. The data frame can be thought of either as a generalization of a NumPy array or as a specialization of a Python dictionary. Data frame as a generalized NumPy array. A data frame is an analog of a two-dimensional array with both flexible row indices and flexible column names. Just as you might think of a two-dimensional array as an ordered sequence of aligned 1D columns, you can think of a data frame as a sequence of aligned series objects. Here, by aligned, we mean that they share the same index. To explain this, let us construct a new series listing the marks of subject 1 and subject 2 as follows. Subject 1 is UB1 is equal to Sai 81, Ram 88, Anu 92. Subject 2 Sai 91, Ram 95, Anu 89. Here two subject arrays are created, series are created. A pandas data frame can be constructed in variety of ways. One such way is from a single series object. It can be written as pd.dataframe subject 1, columns within square bracket. The name of the column should be written, that is ds. If we print it, it produces the result as shown below. The values are the name and its along with their marks are printed with the column name ds for the subject 1 series. Another way is from a dictionary of series objects. It can be written as pd.dataframe of within quotes ds colon subject 1 comma within quotes fds colon and then subject 2. Now it prints the result as shown below. It prints their names, and the first column name is ds and the second column name is fds that has been written within the double quotes in the statement, and their corresponding values are printed on the screen. Thank you.